Hi everybody, welcome to the channel. I'm Cherie. Today we are going to be doing a demonstration of a new kitchen toy that I have. It is made by Joie. This is the the garlic dicer. And this was given to me by one of my subscribers. She sent a care bag with a lot of goodies in it, and I told her I would demonstration this gadget. So today I'm doing it. Y'all, let me just tell you right now, I love this little toy. It is very much needed in the kitchen. I chop up a lot of garlic, and this is going to definitely help me. So we are going to be demoing this today. So it has a little grater, as you see me pointing at it. The little grater is really sharp. I don't know if y'all know this, but garlic is really tough. It can be hard, and it has to take pressure to push it through the little grater thing. This little container is not big enough for me. However, this is standard because really most people don't need to make a lot of garlic. I think I've been saying ginger, but I mean garlic. And this little white piece right here, you do not want to throw that away. You do not want to misplace it. This is going to be very much needed with this little toy. And I'm going to show you towards the end. So I buy the bag garlic from the store that's already peeled because Lord knows I do not have time to peel a bunch of garlic. No, 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 no. I am too busy for that. It takes a year to peel a clove of garlic. No, I'm just playing. But it does take a while to peel a clove of garlic. So the one thing I don't like, you see how easy this lid is to close? It's too loose and it keeps closing on me. So we finna get started. We finna start whipping up some garlic, peeling, crushing. So I'm gonna show you how it works. Look at me do the do. So you just put the garlic in there and you push down on it. That's it. It's not much to it. Look, it's stuck on the little grater, which is what it does. Because as you put more garlic on there, it pushes it through into the little container. So you can just basically watch me do it. It's really self-explanatory. It's really easy. It doesn't take a lot of effort to push down on it. You just gotta have a little strength behind it. So, so far I'm liking this little toy, and I will be using it in my kitchen. Have y'all ever peeled garlic? Oh my gosh. Does it not take all day? Yes, it does. Let me know in the comments if this would be a helpful gadget for you in your kitchen. Because chopping it up with a knife and a cutting board is not that bad. However, if you can do it a different way that's easier, why not? I do want to let y'all know if this video is helpful for you, if you like the video, if you want to, appreciate me for putting this content out, please like, share, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. Y'all, look at all that pretty garlic that we got in the little container. Oh my gosh. Yes. My kitchen smells so good. So I'm just putting it in another container because I'm going to be cooking with this garlic today. Anything that's unused, you can keep it in the refrigerator in an airtight container. That way you can use it later on. So right here, we just finishing up the rest of the garlic bulbs that we have. I'm not doing all of what's in the bag in the back. I'm just going to do what's in the little container. So I'm just putting the rest of it in the little container. And then it washes up really easy. soap, water, boom. Now, this is the little white guard that I was showing y'all earlier. Look at that. I want you to watch me. You see all that garlic that's stuck in between the teeth? This little white guard is there for a reason. You are going to have like a knife or a fork or a spoon to get back behind the guard. And it's going to help you pull the stuck on garlic out of the teeth. It doesn't take much at all. Look at all of that garlic. And it's clean as a whistle on the grater board. Y'all, this thing is so neat. I hope y'all go get one if you like it. I appreciate y'all for stopping by. Have yourself a good day. Bye.